Our today's alphabet letter is I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Now your turn. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Good job. You did it very good. I for insect. I for insect. I for insect. Now your turn. I for insect. I for insect. Good job. You did it very good. I for igloo. I for igloo. I for igloo. Now your turn. I for igloo. I for igloo. Good job. You did it very good. In the word ice cream, I is the first letter. I for ice cream. E E ice cream. I for ice cream. E E ice cream. Now your turn. I for ice cream. E E ice cream. I for ice cream. E E ice cream. In the word insect, I is the first letter. I for insect. E E insect. I for insect. E E insect. Now your turn. I for insect. E E insect. In the word igloo, I is the first letter. I for igloo. E E igloo. I for igloo. E E igloo. Good job. You did it very good.